You invested in AI coding tools and your developers use them, but can you quantify their real-world impact? GitKraken Insights measures what matters: code quality before and after AI adoption, defect rates, intelligence that goes beyond surface-level metrics. 40 million developers know and trust GitKraken as a developer-first brand. That means better engagement and better insights. Get DORA metrics with context, AI impact across your toolchain, and developer experience correlated with performance. It's complete engineering intelligence in one platform. Other solutions take months to implement, but GitKraken Insights works in minutes. And we're up to 80% less expensive than competing software intelligence providers. So stop defending engineering productivity and start proving engineering value. GitKraken Insights. Engineering intelligence in minutes, not months.